Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to show you one of the best pocket option strategy. I found it after testing multiple times and bring me a wonderful result, and I have sure this strategy will going to change your trading career and take your trade to the next level. And before we start, make sure you smash the like button. It will motivate me to do more videos. And if you're new to my channel, consider to subscribe, turn notification bell on. Once I upload a new video, you'll be notified and take your trade to the next level. First of all, I just going to set up candle 30 seconds. For each candle you see in my chart is 30 seconds, and the time frame for each contract to expire is 2 minutes. Okay, and some indicator I'm just going to use 3 indicators. I'm just going to use Keltner Channel, this one here, Keltner Channel, and the Stochastic Oscillator, and the final one is ZigZag line. And let me change some parameter of Keltner Channel. Everything I will leave as a default. So here in this parameter, I'm just going to use EMA or EMA period of 20, ATR of 10, multiplier I'm just going to increase to 2, and I'm just going to increase the width of this line of Keltner Channel, and this one here, and save. Zigzag line I just going to leave it as default, deviation of 5, depth of 12, and the back step of 3. Everything I just going to leave as default. Last one indicator is stochastic oscillator, and everything in this on this indicator I just going to leave as default, as you see in this. Especially this style I just going to increase width of 2, and this one here I just going to increase to. The rest I just going to leave as default. I increase the line width. Okay, keep watching. Once I take a trade, I'll explain why I take the trade, and it will help you to master this strategy and change your trading career. And let me add up some currency pair that have, in order to find more opportunity and give you more confidence of use this strategy, I have to take multiple trades and help you to understand the essence behind the strategy. And if you are new to this platform, there is a link in the description down below. Just go and register on the platform Pocket Option. Okay, in order to get 50% bonus, make sure you use the 50 start at the promo code area. And let me find an opportunity here. I just going to buy. First of all, I just look at Keltner Channel. If I found the red candle, that is candlestick that going down, have managed to close below the Keltner Channel, and this zigzag line have in top of the bottom of the red candle, and finally stochastic oscillator is at the oversold area at this line of 20, and already intersect each other and heading up. This is a crucial time to take a buy trade. So I repeat again, make sure if is price going down, make sure this red candle have closed below or near the Keltner Channel. Secondly, zigzag line have to be on the peak of the top of the bottom of the red candle, and we have sure there is opposite candle that is going up, starting to go opposite direction, and the stochastic oscillator is at the oversold area, because if the stochastic oscillator is down below, it's prepared for time to go up. And have sure the stochastic oscillator intersect each other and heading up. So this is the best time for you to take a buy trade. Once I take another, I found another moment that is crucial for you to understand. It will help you to get more confidence in this strategy, and we see win this trade. And let me look for another opportunity and explain. Here again, I can just take a trade as a buy. We see the price have managed to close near the Keltner Channel red candle, but we see the last one have managed to close near but leave a tail that is not a big case, but have sure zigzag line have managed to touch the top bottom of the red candle that is going down for buying opportunity, and have sure the stochastic oscillator at the oversold area and intersect each other and heading up. This is the right moment for you to take a trade, and this you have sure you're just going to win because there is a clear indication, and this price give us a clear moment. And you can see here the same scenario we explained down below. For case of sell, I'm just going to find another moment for take a selling trade or lower trade and understand the essence behind the strategy, because you can see here price have managed to close near above the Keltner channel, and zigzag line have managed to touch the top of the green candle, and we see the opposite candlestick have formed, and we see here down below stochastic oscillator have in overbought area and intersect each other and just going down. Here is the right moment. If you get this opportunity at this time, it was crucial for you to take a sell trade, and here we see we are just going to win another trade. This strategy is easy, there is no more stuff. You see this strategy, you win this second trade. Here there is no, even here there is no clear opportunity, and here we see here we can just take this trade. Instead we are ready, but this trade can be profitable for us. We see here the price of green candle have managed to close near the Keltner channel, and we see there price have managed to, this zigzag line have managed to touch the peak of this candle, and we see the opposite direction candle that is this red candle, and here we see the stochastic oscillator have in overbought area and intersect each other and going heading down, and this is a crucial time for you to take this trade, and we have sure this will going to be a profitable trade. And let us check another opportunity while this trade is going. This strategy is best if you want to change your trading career. This is one of the best strategy you can use, guys. Okay, there is no clear opportunity here. Okay, even that you can see here there is no clear opportunity. We see here, and let's see this first. Let's bring here. We see, guys, we are profitable, and we see price here have managed to go down far away from where we take a trade. If you take this trade, you have sure we are going to win. So, and before you just going to apply this strategy in live account, make sure you use this practice in demo account, because every strategy I post in my channel might differ from person to person. You may see this is best for you, and someone may see another strategy is best for him or her. So one important thing is to test in demo account, and before you are just going to trade with the strategy in live account. And here, guys, you can just take this trade as solid trade, and you can have sure we have already taken 3 trades and none of them will lose. There is no any trade will lose on this strategy, and I don't pause any part of this video. I just trade, and you see, and this is another trade I have sure you're just going to win, because the strategy met the condition. You have stochastic oscillator intersect each other and is in overbought area, and we see price of this CFD probably have managed to touch the Keltner channel, and we see the opposite direction candle, and the zigzag line have managed to touch the peak of the candle that have managed to touch this area of Keltner channel, and we see opposite direction candle that is going down, and that's why we take this trade. And this year it will going to be exciting strategy, and it can change your trading if you practice this in a right way. And if you don't understand anything in this video, make sure you leave a comment down below and I will assist you, and smash the like button to favor me. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, turn notification bell. Once I come up with another video, you will be notified. Okay, and let's see the result of this fourth trade. Let's keep watching. And if you can manage to take even 5 trades a day and win all those trades, this is a good progress. And you see another fourth trade we win without a loss. Also, I wish you the best luck in trading and practice in this strategy. See you to the next video in this week. Bye bye for now.